Hey guys, here's another video on the topic binomial probability distribution. So probability distribution is a mathematical function that gives the chance of occurrence of different possible outcomes for an experiment. So it is a random phenomena in terms of its sample space and the probabilities of events. So it may be the theoretical and the observed distribution. So types of theoretical probability distribution is the normal, binomial, and third one is the Poisson probability distribution. We can see these three each one by one in series of videos. So first one is the binomial probability distribution. As the name suggests, bi means two, so it has the two possible outcomes. Example, tossing a coin, and it was discovered by the James Bernoulli in 1700. So it is also known as the Bernoulli distribution. So here is a criteria for the binomial distribution. The number of trials should be fixed. Each trial should be independent and the probability of success is exactly the same from one trial to the other trial. It is dichotomous type, that is two possible events. So we can express this binomial feature in the terms of P plus Q. P is the chance of occurrence and Q is the chance of non-occurrence. So according to binomial rules, P plus Q to the whole square equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. So through an example we can understand better. So यहाँ पे मेल एंड फीमेल 50-50% चांसेस है होने का. So half we can express is in terms of half and half. So chance of occurrence यहाँ पे है फर्स्ट मेल एंड फर्स्ट मेल होने का, तो इसमें हाफ इंटू हाफ करेंगे प्लस ऐड करेंगे. फर्स्ट फीमेल एंड अनदर इज फर्स्ट मेल एंड अनदर इज़ फीमेल, देन हाफ इंटू हाफ करेंगे, फिर ऐड करेंगे इसको. अगर फर्स्ट वन इज़ द फीमेल एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ द मेल, देन फिर अगेन इसको हाफ एंड हाफ करेंगे. प्लस फर्स्ट अगर मेल है एंड देन सेकेंड वन इज़ फीमेल, देन इसको हाफ इंटू हाफ करेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द इक्वेशन पी प्लस क्यू इक्वल टू 1 होना चाहिए. देन इसको ऐड करेंगे तो इसको 1 आ जाता है. फिर अनदर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग ले सकते हैं. If the chance of the male is 51% and female का 49%, and then probability of both male will be what? So 51% male है and इसको इस तरह से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं 0.51 which denoted by P, and female equal to 49%, that means 0.49, that is Q. According to the formula, P plus Q to the whole square equal to P square plus 2PQ then plus Q square. So 0.51 to the whole square plus 2 into 0.51 into 0.49 plus 0.49 to the whole square, again all added is equal to 1 or nearly equal to 1. So it is 26%, it is denoted by 50% across 49.49 equals approximately 50%, and it is 0.24 equal to 24%. So we can say that the probability of the both male will be 26%. So here is another term, that is permutation combination. The binomial equation can also be represented by use of rules of combination and numerical coefficient known as permutation combination. So the equation of the permutation combination is the P under bracket R is equal to CR to the power N into P to the power R and Q to the power N minus R, where P R signifies the probability of occurrence, N is equal to total number of events, and C is the number of combination, R is the chance of occurrence, and N minus R is equal to chance of non-occurrence. So here is the example. So the total number of events and the chance of occurrence will be given in the question. So in example, if n is equal to 2, that is total number of event is equal to 2, then r is equal to 1, that is chance of occurrence is equal to 1, then pr will be. So according to the equation, we can put all the values, that is n is equal to 2, where n is equal to 2, and then n minus r, that is 2 minus 1. So at the end हम लोग ये इक्वेशन पाते हैं. इट ऑल्सो यूजेस फैक्टोरियल फॉर फाइंडिंग NCRS. सो इस एक अनदर फॉर्मूला है, दैट इज CR to the power n is equal to n factorial minus r factorial under bracket n minus r factorial. This symbol signifies the factorial. That is, it look like this. सो इफ़ द n नंबर इज इक्वल टू 4, देन हम लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं. 4 से शुरू होगा, 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 पे आके ख़त्म होगा. So we can take another example. So if we tossed a coin 6 times, then probability of 4 hits will be. So here again, total number of tossing a coin is equal to n is equal to 6. R is the chance of occurrence is equal to 4, and P is equal to half. चांस ऑफ अकरेंस एंड चांस ऑफ नॉन अकरेंस हम लोग जानते हैं कि दोनों 50-50% होता है. सो वी कैन टेक दिस एज हाफ एंड हाफ. सो हियर हम लोग बाय पुटिंग दिस इक्वेशन एंड फार्मूला हम लोग एन सी आर निकाल सकते हैं. एन इज इक्वल टू 6, सी एंड आर इज इक्वल टू 4. सो एन फैक्टोरियल 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and r is equal to 4. तो 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 करेंगे, then पूरा इक्वेशन आएगा 15. सो एन सी आर इज इक्वल टू 15. देन अगेन हमें परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन निकालना है विच इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सी. सो पी आर, दिस इज अ इक्वेशन. सो पी आर इज इक्वल टू एन सी आर पी आर क्यू एन माइनस आर. सो पी आर हम लोग को पता है 4 है, एंड एन भी पता है हम लोग को 6 है, एंड सी 4, पी 4 एंड क्यू 2. सो हम लोग ने इसका वैल्यू निकाल लिया फैक्टोरियल रीजन से 15 इंटू पुटिंग ऑल दीज values. So again हम लोग का आएगा 0.234 आंसर. So the probability of 4 head is 0.234. So properties of the binomial probability distribution. So there are two possible outcomes, that are true or false, success or failure, yes or no. The probability of success or failure remains the same for each trial, and only the number of success is calculated out of the n independent trials. So every trial is an independent trial, which means the outcome of one trial doesn't affect the outcome of another trial. So this is about the binomial probability distribution and the permutation combination. Thank you.